everyone, today we are going to do the NSO or International Science Olympiad for class 4. So the first question is, which of the following option will complete the given number pattern? It's very easy. 7, 14, 21, question mark, 35, 42, 49. So you have to fill up this question mark. So 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 2 is 14, 7 into 3 is 21. In this way, you have to do this sum. Pause my video, give your own answer, then check it with mine. It will be 7 into 4, 28. In a certain language, end is written as 281 and week is written as 4159. Then what will weekend be written in the same language? It will be pause my video, give your own answer, then check it with mine. In a certain language, end is written as 281 and week is written as 4159. Then how will weekend be written in the same language? So end is written as 281 and week is written as 4159. So 4159 then 281. This is the proper code of this language. Number C is the correct answer. Then who is in the northwest of Sahil? Northwest means in this position. So Sahil is here, north, then we have west here. So obviously it will be yes, I got your answer. Pause my video, give your own answer, then check it with mine. It will be Aditi. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe, like and press the bell icon of my channel so that before anyone else, you all can enjoy my video. Next day, I will be coming up with some more interesting topics. Bye everyone.